let's talk about state schools versus private, you know. University of Pennsylvania versus Penn State would be the classic example for those of us that are in Pennsylvania. So are you going to really get a better paying job if you graduate from Penn than if you do from Penn State?
Bill, that's a great question, and there's actually economic studies out there that answer that question, and the answer is no. A guy named Kruger, who's an economist out of Princeton, did a study, and he was trying to answer the following question. Does attending a more selective college result in higher earnings? And what he found out is, in summary, if you have two students with the same academic credentials in high school coming out, and one goes to an Ivy League school and the other one goes to University of Pittsburgh for the same degree, 5 years, maybe not right away, but 5 years after they graduate, those two individuals will be making the same amount of money.